I'm here with Richard McCombe from Graphic Warehouse. Really excited to have a chat with you about your investment in Liyu.
Graphic Warehouse is actually a trading name of our legal entity, which is Matic Media Services Limited, and we've been trading for nearly 20 years up in Scotland. It's a family-run business between myself and the two brothers, Adrian and Robert. So, we've been playing around with what we call web-to-press technology, but everybody else in the world calls it web-to-print. And the reason ours is web-to-press is because we literally could take the artwork, take it all through the workflow, spark up a printer and start printing out automatically with no human interaction. So we developed this brand called Graphic Warehouse. But I suppose the difference between us and some of our competitors is that we are actually from a signage background. Our customers are marketing agencies, design agencies, commercial printers, copy shops, other sign manufacturers who don't have the technology we have. We're able to speak the language and, we're sort of de-risking the product for them. In Scotland, we probably have more large format print and finishing equipment than others. We were having to run shifts to try and get the capacity through our machines. That was causing challenges. So we knew we wanted 3.2, we knew we wanted hybrid. But the building across the road from us came up for sale. And if anyone's ever gone through the process of buying the first building, I'm more than happy to share my experience with them. It is really challenging. Our project to move in here is 1.1 something million. We moved over and we moved all the plant and equipment. It's not something I want to do again in the future, but the new premises has allowed us to invest in the new printer. So why did we go with Liyu and Platinum? We've known Eddie from Liyu for many years. He's helped us out on many occasions. For us, the Platinum Q3 was a market disruptor. We'd looked at other machines on the marketplace, so we'd seen the Platinum Q3 at the showroom, and Eddie and his team had shown us around. And they're very welcoming when you go there. There's no kind of airs and graces. I quite like that. What we like about these machines is the simplicity. So we're quite technical. So we like to sort of get in and around machines and have a look and see how the belts are running, what motors are in them, and obviously print heads and things like that. And we're going, right, now this looks like this really big, impressive box. But, the more we were kind of looking into it, we're going, you know what? This would suit us down to the ground, because if Eddie wants something simple, he's not going to want the complexities and difficulties in his life, and nor do we. So the other aspect of the Platinum Q3 is it offers scalability. So it comes with configurations in the print heads, and lots of machines do this, but all the technology is already built into the print heads, so all you're paying for in the future is the print heads. So you're not actually paying for all the boards and all the other gubbins that goes with it. And we thought that was impressive as well. So simplicity and scalability. So a lot of things can be fixed by a competent person on these machines. I think Eddie has plans for using VR to be able to talk you through processes on diagnosing issues on machines that will allow you to get your machine up and running much, much more quickly. The day the Platinum Q3 arrived in this lorry, it was literally forklift off, set at the front of the building, wheeled into position, plugged in, leveled off, and it was up and running literally within a couple of hours. It just worked from the moment they leveled it. I was really, really surprised and impressed.
How is it improving your business, improving your applications and capabilities that you're able to deliver?
It's all down to growth, really. We were finding it was quite difficult to take on extra capacity. We couldn't take on these jobs where somebody would come in and say, look, I need 500 10x5 Corex boards printed in the next 5 days. We didn't have that extra capacity to say, well, we can throw that in. But no, now I can see that, we're still busy. It's a different kind of busy. It's productive busy, not chaos busy. The machine is giving us better workflow because it's so much faster. Then we have better communication with a better working environment, and we have increased our capacity, which allows us to be faster than ever before. And we're realizing that price is not the most important thing. Speed is almost more important than price on many occasions. So you're trying to find that balance all the time.
Speed is important, but I guess reliability has to be alongside that.
That's a big factor. It's been operational for a couple of months now, and it's doing what it says in the tin. All the feedback I'm getting is really positive.
How is this going to help you with your growth and development as a company?
Our aspiration is for growth. We're entirely focused on Graphic Warehouse. Hence the reason the whole building has been branded as Graphic Warehouse. That's the brand we want to focus on. We want to focus on the bit that we're really good at, and it's a knowledge, skill, and understanding of large format print to make signs, banners, posters, flags, tablecloths, aerospace panels, TFS systems. That's our niche. We're really good at it, and that's what we want to focus on.